Onde nigo charagire Chinsa Isano Ibere cy'abantu basakarongo kware ne SMS mangana mayibina tande kwa sangira ugakete wikabonero ko boli kwana na ikaranso ike osuirori bagari audia benora ya bwati ngakenda twate kamina isiko ya Gusii no ko boli na genda ko tobata sensema mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News digital wega sensema ya YouTube na bako tonyora Ndizi TV News yoko nyachinga kina boto tweet @Ndizi News wega kerenga likia genda ko toma gotira sen number irase skin ya igurabu ndatoka nyora senjera ya bene na manga ndo koreka nimina isiko ya Gusii karondoje ekina keriki alikuwa merelio kobua osobobui bwa omubunge webunge ya West Muglango Stew kabon gyanyare kego tuguterware asebono mugaka abwato bosibore bwoko bomo chumbe bwebunge ya West Muglango na okora aba West Muglango emeremo bege kina keriki ari kwamereria obobui bwomugumende bwe county ya Nyamira Jerusalem na kerokyo nigo kyanyare kego tuguterware asebono nere abwato bosibore bwokora emeremo yaba okora abanyamire emeremo bwino musubatu somugumende bwe county yumuri kwetyo mangi na ndate gutubwateriri nganerio na natware ne karuto gukonyorana ase chinga kire kolende na rayore akoreka arengende koreka na si county eri ya Nyamira murai bwense Dr. William Ruto nere no ara samaga kya isizi keroba enderede osanderede no muroberi bokomera na barusubate keroba enderede go sherekea litko liabo go segumente keroba enderede koroberi meroberi yo go sherekea go se go chengera abasubati boigo murai bo mabwasi miuro moja Raila Odinga nigo aumiranire n'abayisilamu ane imams erigo kwanire meroberi ao abegete gose gukwanira mangana yeribera digenda ko basense yaito ya Kenya yugati yali agendete gwateka ime na isiko ya Gusii ko niko kubona kabama nanje goiko mwele ndomanye ayande amange ale asemesa ye Chinsa Isano Ibere bana botamberiane Brighton Makori. Oyo kombati sibana sense miri ndi muntu bimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta kirtogo chaka haye Chinsa Isano Ibere nitugo chaka ruase county ya Kisii asibono umwasiri bwegisemi ezekeri macho gwarase county ya Kisii anene kerago tara jiskuru kera kuri umurobero junior secondary school teturayo kyanyara ka kwana ase school ya nyarire ka utara semambi yaboniga.
Yes, as a country we say we must do manufacturing, isn't it? Yes. As a country we say we must industrialize so that we get to resolve the challenge. But at the same time, we have to manage our environment in a good way, isn't it? Yes. So we have come to wish you well, and I thank this particular school that we are properly prepared for grade 7, because I can see and I confirm that there is proper running well on. So we want you to work hard in your school. We want you to do what? Work hard. This was morning when I woke up, I spoke to one, the President of the Republic of Kenya. What is the name of the President of the Republic of Kenya? You have missed something. What have you missed?
Ya kirabono inganeri ya LGBTQ endete gukwanirwa sense ya Kenya nene kiraba Kenya bandete komochie kigambira nene kiraba nyarete gukwana ringaneri bunambata keire kwanjere kyombe osebyombe birite kweli ikya igoro ya mangana ayo wanoni gaba pastor korwase kanisa ye dini ya BUYA korwase kaunti Nyamira na barobeso kina kwameriri ngane ya sawa thina mbago chiwanja MACHIKO aguturubaniense ya Kenya.
Mimi ni mchungaji na sisi wote kikundi cha wachungaji tumekusanyika hapa kutoka kanisa la BUYA Kenya, na wakati huu tuko na waso linahusu yale ambayo yalipitishwa katika Supreme Court yetu. Sisi kama kanisa na kulingana na Biblia takatifu ya Mungu ambayo Mungu alitupatia ya kutumikia kuhubiria wanadamu, hiyo ni kinyume kabisa.
Wendetia simwanya abantu musacha kunywamana ekera to kurigereria mucho Sodom na Gomora ni gosiri wekera ringana buneriria chete nekere serikali amona bali ni chinguru baranjiri ngane rikogendera itimina manisha ense yeito neso aso ekina nyasa kuyigambia gosiri bisusuro
abarai bari baitu nkogenda bari na baragwikanisa mbasoma bari ringanaria Nyasaye bairanirire ringaneri bagende bari ngorie barore ringanaria Nyasaye nari kokwana na amachiko yense buna okwana banache buya batokonyere kiare kerbocio
Ekerabona basubati bagenderete koweroberia samangana abo asensemeri ya Kisii ekeromurai bwensa agenderete goikogo Women's Day celebrations nikobona basubati banyare bawe sokia sensemeri na komori murai bwensa Dr. William Ruto sokia nera kwanere ringaneli la LGBTQ ekerate batebiruna barombari ujugwanja amachikayo atakere ko basense yeito ya Kenya.
Still fighting for our space, Your Excellency, and who continue fighting for it, especially where we are told, Your Excellency, that now men cannot marry us. It is women who be marrying women and men marrying men. That one, as the women of Kenya, we are saying, hatutaki, 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 hatutaki. Tumekataa huyo shetani, tunasema afanya nini? Tunasema afanya nini? Shetani afanya nini? Your Excellency, these mothers, we will celebrate them. We will only celebrate them the day a man will marry a man and give birth. That is the day we will ever celebrate them. But if a man marries a man and there is no child, awashindwe kabisa.
Ekerabon totigareta singane yo General Secretary Okotu Central Organization of Trade Union of Kenya Francis Atone ni gobona nyari kawe sokina ukwanirengane yekerateruna ya mangana y'abasongo batagete guturubani ense ya Kenya NTOGWANCHA ni gateruna bono nere buyo murai bwense nere gwe sokya kugikeli engane yo.
Na hatuwezi kuwa na vijana wetu wanakaa kwa bench in the Court of Appeal na wanasema wale watu wanaotaka kuoana mume kwa mume, mke kwa mke, wapatiwe nafasi ya kuwa na chama chao katika nchi ya Kenya. Kiafrika, kibaluya, kikenya, kidini, hiyo ni maneno katika Afrika hatuwezi kubali. Tukiwa katika mikutano ya nje huko Ulaya, wazungu wakijaribu kuleta hiyo, sisi huwa tunawapinga. And we always carry out the day. Tunakuwa supported na Asia, Arab, South Americans and Americans kushinda wazungu wa Central Europe na wale ambao wanataka mambo ya wanaume kuoana kwa wanaume ama dada zetu kuoana wenyewe. That is not our culture. That's not within our traditions. Lazima bunge yetu ikae kikao cha kusema hiyo haiwezi kufanyika hapa. Uganda Museveni amekataa. Ukienda Tanzania, president wa huko Madam Suluhu Hassan amekataa. Ukienda nchi zote hata za West Africa wamekataa. Kutakuwaje koti zetu hapa Kenya?
Omugavana we county ya Embu zizirembarire boigo ore munyakero bwe kiama kya UDA ni gobona nyareka atabuna na mangagane iri kurigerirwa sensemo yo gusira basubati nigaya kwana yakero barase county ya Nairobi anasa magajari ya KICC yakero bandete kurigereria mangana igose gucengira amangana y'abasubati boigo niga motogiri murayi bwensa nene keranyarika koba amabaga abanta bangane bari barabasubati asobokoreri asense ya Kenya.
We are where we are today, as Anne Waiguru has said, because you gave us space and support within the party. We thank you because we have 5 female governors from Kenya Kwanza family, and it is because you supported us without fear or favor. We have women who've been elected in single-member constituencies. We have MCAs. And most importantly, you ensured you put women in cabinet as cabinet secretaries, as PSAs, and most importantly, you have a gender advisor within your office. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, these women are here because, first of all, your victory came from the women. Amasivo kina mama. The women voted for you, Your Excellency. They believed in you even when you are being insulted and being called all manner of names. These women believed in you. And so, Your Excellency, today, we are here to remind you that we still have issues that are not yet met. And we are here to remind you that the women agenda must remain center stage.
Omojivu registrar zebigambiro anyamadi niganyarire kawate abune bigambiro bono nigo bigendete kwirobiri biyego sinigo bigendete ko ire bitambogero abaho iri kwende kibinanga kyobo korari bwaye bokoba ubuyeka ukwana siri tukurorera somoyega aboko babekera kigutwa advocates abanyarire bagweta samatemu abo gosa sobo korari bwabo nigo bana deruna nabarabu nigo bariga niwe asobo korari ubiyase ebigambiro.
Asking for help? Excellent. So that is what we are about. The judiciary has developed this system to assist in the end-to-end management of advocates' professional lives. Through the system, advocates can make applications from the comfort of their locations, and all this is in the spirit of creating efficiency. The system also facilitates other stakeholders to execute their constitutional mandates. So the Law Society is part of it, Council of Legal Education, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, among others. The system will facilitate the management of the ever-growing number of advocates in the country. So today we are also celebrating the rollout of the e-practicing certificates through a joint integration program between the judiciary and the Law Society of Kenya. The development and testing of issuance of e-practicing certificates for the year 2023 has been completed, and as at yesterday, 1st of March 2023, over 9,000 e-practicing certificates had been issued. And this is, thank you. For us, this is quite an achievement compared to the previous years, whereas at the same date last year, we had only issued about 1,000 practicing certificates. Remember, I was signing each physical certificate physically, and that was the only time I appreciated traffic jams, because I always had practicing certificates in my car. So I signed them on the road, I signed them after dinner, I signed them practically everywhere.
Hasejinga kieje jumura iwe kiombe kiaro Society of Kenya heri kiteuri nena nyaraka okwana somo yego yekera baboli ki advocate ejo okore emeremo yabo buya.
And this is, you will find extremely difficult, to giving advice to strangers on the phone and resist the pressure to take cases you are not qualified to handle. Now, as you get admitted, I wish it was possible that each one of you would live today knowing that the legal job of your dreams awaits you. One that gives you meaningful work, prestige, personal fulfillment, and compensation sufficient to secure a good living. That is the reality, that not all of you will have access to that. But still, the society will have extremely lofty expectations of you upon your admission. The men will be required to continue dressing as sharply as you look today, and to date, the most beautiful girls as are here today. And for the ladies also, I have bad news for you, because your standing as an advocate carries with it a commitment hazard. As my friend who is married to a lady advocate usually tells me, that his most difficult moment in his life is when the wife says, baby, we need...
Omunajebina monene bwensi ya Kenya madako menena nyaraka wikirana sumurubiriyo yupono nerekera nyaraka ukwanira abadvocate yabekero bale kubekero kigutwa asiritko uliarero.
and wisdom that you have been given by the previous speakers. Because today you join this noble profession, and we are here as your elders to receive you with a lot of joy and welcome you as members of the bar. This is a feat that you have earned the hard way. So hold yourselves high because you have deserved this admission as an advocate. You know very well you have worked very hard.
Temia kioni oyore General Secretary kiama gia Jubilee nigo bananyare ga komojo murai wenze Dr. William Ruto anekera materuna nigo umurai wenza kare wanjireri dini gete no enekero bakogenda sense Maria State House ka kwana ritukura rero ekero obomu bwasimio bwanyara bukumirana ne dini yabarai be dini ya Islam nigatheno murai wenze natakeire kubwatizia jidini chonzia sense ya Kenya boigo natakinera kwane igoro yumuroberio gose kigambiro gose ko chike kambiro yanyara keweti igoro ya LGBTQ yare deliberera sense ya Kenya.
Makioni Mukristo, I love the Lord as my personal savior. Mimi nimekuwa mzee wa kanisa wa PCA, nimekuwa katika nyadhifa tofauti kwa ile kanisa, niko kwa siasa sasa, lakini nafahamu ya kwamba even as being a Christian and a born again Christian, Kenya is a secular state. Hawezi ukabagua dini lolote. Na vile tunaona kule State House, hayo ni makosa. La pili ni kusema kwamba mpokee salamu sahihi. Nimetoka hapa coincidentally, mwenye amenipigia simu ni aliyekuwa rais wetu Uhuru Kenyatta, ameniambia niwasalimie sana. So nimemwambia
hayibano naragenderete kwateka kuru inse imena isiko ya Gusii kuna magana tokorekana ase county ya Kisii ekando cy'umugabana we county ya Kisii simba borarate agenderete umuroberio gosoma yega aboko baji pasali abana kuruase bali batari kwenyara kuruase mechi metaka ando jagenderete segeti kirikia Gusii stadium abana banyoro bokonyi na kogenda ase school boigo nindo jono muri regional county commissioner na ereno warase county ya Kisii boigo munana goteriri tangani mwasiri bejisemia sekiri majagu eno arase county ya Kisii asagenda kuri limeroberio ao yejisemia se county ya Kisii yuno ari agenda korekana imena isiko ya Gusii nojukwa nyora chikuraga chinse 10 ense ya muyamaro wa nejiseto karabari kwito baenda kukwariganiria bajugo sansamarana chiga chinse juyo lenga sense meli yo munwe manyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta Nigeria ne Brighton Makori.